So today's video, I got my inspiration from this Dollar General truck. Now the one I made, of course, is not perfect, but it is all Dollar Tree material. So I'll just get right to the DIY. So I did use this foam board from the Dollar Tree to draw a basic outline of the truck, and I cut out two pieces. I'll also be using some cardboard and some of the skewers, and the tires that I'm using are from Dollar Tree and they came off of a motorcycle. I'm using some of the craft sticks as well. So I'll just let you watch and I'll jump in from time to time. Now I'll be using some of this cardboard to make the front and cab of the truck. And here I'm using these bamboo skewers to go around the front window. But this step was probably not really necessary. I'm just showing you this video as I created it. There was no practice. I never do. And now I'm going to use the craft sticks from Dollar Tree. These are the ones that are 60 to the bag. They're the larger ones. And I'm just going to make the bed of the truck. Okay, so I've got the bed of the truck completed. And now I'm going to work on the tires. I'm using one of the bamboo skewers and it will roll. I've got to put something on each side of the tire to keep it from falling off, of course. And I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but for right now this is what we have. I may try to recreate this again at a later date to make it look a little bit better than what it's going to turn out today. And before I attach the tires, I'm going to use this, I think it's book liner or book cover, and it does stick a little bit, but I am going to be using hot glue. I tried to use Mod Podge, but it would not stick with Mod Podge, so I'll be using hot glue around the edges to hold this in place. And here's what we have so far. If you do this, I would recommend putting the cover on before putting the bed of the truck on. It just would give you more room to work with. And now I'll begin working on the wheels. I did use some Jenga blocks to raise this a little bit to attach the skewer to. And you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm just using little bitty pieces of wood on each side of the tire so it won't slip up and down the skewer. And here I'm just adding another small piece to the outside of the tire, and then I will trim that down. And there I was just showing you the motorcycle that I used. I picked up 2 of those. So I did go in and use the antique wax and stain the gate on the truck. And the wheels do roll. It's a little uneven. Like I said, it's not perfect by any means, but I just wanted to see if I could recreate that truck using Dollar Tree items. And I did. So maybe next time it will turn out a little better. I'm going to go in with the pewter gray and just outline the windows, the windshield, and paint those little pieces of wood sticking out by the tires. I'm also going to go in and just paint on some headlights. I would like to put some real lights in here, but I have worked on this thing so long that I'm really tired, so I'm just going to leave it like this for now, and I'll display it for you in just a moment. So here it is, guys. I did go in and just put some greenery, raffia, and a little scarecrow lady in the back. And I did use a darker paint and just went around the truck a little bit to give it a more rustic appearance. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY today. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're not, I'd love to have you join my family. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. You'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. And hopefully in the future I can recreate this truck with lights and it'll be a little more even, not so wonky. But I think it turned out really cute. So have a great day and thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.